Thank you, Honourable Deputy Speaker. Thank the Honourable Member for keeping me busy during this Parliament week. Definitely, Deputy Speaker, there's more than one steps undertaken at the ministry level, given the phenomenon that has been created by these drug issues that are currently involving school children. I'd like to also state, Honourable Deputy Speaker, that this concern is not only should be the concern of the Ministry of Education, it is also the concern of the Vanua, concern of each and everyone in this Honourable August House, as fathers and mothers and grandparents of our children in school, that we should all take responsibilities in trying to monitor and address drug trafficking in school. The Ministry of Education is working very closely with the National Substance Abuse and Advisory Council to ensure our schools are safe haven for our children. And, as you might recall, that we are exploring options in terms of putting stringent measures in school, but when involving children, parental consent is usually requested. So there are school policies in place, as the Honourable Member is fully aware. To address this, the school drug and substance abuse policy, the school behavior management policy, the school child protection policy, and the school counseling policy. And the Ministry of Education is working in partnership with NASAC to conduct training and awareness to the schools and the communities. We have the standard operating procedures in place in which teachers and heads of schools have been trained by the NASAC unit in terms of identifying symptoms and signs, including physical indicators of substance abuse and drug trafficking in school. And training was also facilitated in partnership with the Fiji Police Force through the narcotics unit. Some schools, Deputy Speaker, has also taken the initiative by the school management, taking proactive measures in the monitoring of unauthorized activities in schools, including the safety and the security of the school. They have installed CCTVs to monitor students' activities and movements. And according to the data of the NASAC, with the assistance of our Ministry of Education ICT unit, a total of 46 primary schools and 30 secondary schools have installed CCTV cameras to monitor student activities and movements. Also, the Speaker is the training of teachers on drug-related issues through the NASAC, or National Substance Abuse Advisory Council. We conducted a drug training of trainers to assistant principals, assistant head teachers, and child protection officers for secondary and large primary schools. The training is basically focused on how to address drug problems in schools, and part of this training focused on the monitoring of students in school and steps to take if they are involved in any drug-related activities. Training conducted in 162 secondary schools and 46 primary schools in the last fiscal year. Student leaders are also trained on how to identify the signs of students using drugs during their leadership training. A total of 928 students participated during this leadership training. Counseling and mentoring support. Ministry of Education through the NASAC unit provides counseling support to students with drug-related issues after referral from schools. The Honourable Member is fully aware of this process. Mentoring support is provided as well as to the students with drug-related issues on a weekly basis by the retired teachers who are engaged on a part-time basis with the substance abuse unit. And parents are always part of the counseling and mentoring programs, guiding them on how they can help their children while at their homes. The Drug Awareness Ministry, through the Substance Abuse Unit, also provides posters, booklets and brochures for drug awareness purposes to students in schools and communities. And this is extended during a week-long awareness week in all our schools during the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, or IDIT, every year in July. And teachers share their knowledge about drugs to the parents, guardians, when they conduct a community awareness program or KEPS meeting. These strategies are to assist teachers to comply with the existing procedures in place in regards to drug cases, for reporting lines to head of schools, to parents, and the police. I wish to reassure this House, Madam Deputy Speaker, that the MOU through the Substance Abuse Advisory Council will continue to work in partnership with the Fiji Police Force, also with the Child Welfare Department of the Ministry of Women, Children and Social Protection, the Ministry of Health, faith-based organization, and non-government organization to ensure proper support is provided to the students so they do not become victims of drug-related activities.
Thank you, Honourable Minister. Follow-up question from